Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you an easy way to do a two-tone wood grain. And two-tone is basically, and I will show you one that I have, like this. Darker on the outside, and then the decal is a lighter color. So, to do that, I've already did the dark layer on this tumbler, and I've epoxied it. So we have a smooth surface to work on. I've cut out my decal. I've cut it with the Silhouette Cameo 3, and then I've weeded it. Now I'm going to apply it to my transfer paper and apply it onto here. So let's do that. Alright, so we have our decal on our transfer paper. Now we'll take our cup and apply it. Be still. Oh no. Okay. And make sure, get it lined up appropriately, top and bottom. That decal on there. Pull away transfer paper. Alright, so you got a white decal on there. We want two-tone. Well, just like you do a normal wood grain, we're going to take a light colored alcohol ink. And I did several coats of ginger to get this color. So let's go with butterscotch. And I use a foam brush when I do my alcohol inks. So let's put some on there. And I usually use the edge. Excuse me. And let's do a little painting. And remember, we've got epoxy on this cup, so got a lot on there. So you just do that until you get the color desired. And you have your two-tone. So I do not seal. I let my alcohol inks dry for a day. And so tomorrow morning I will wake up and epoxy this, and I have my two-tone. And then so you can get this effect. Sorry, without having, you can get your two-tone without having to do multiple layers of epoxy between different coats of alcohol inks. So easy way to do it. You can do, it doesn't even have to be a two-tone. You could use blue alcohol ink, whatever. But this is the easy way to do a different color decal and get like a two-tone effect. Hope this helps. Fast and easy, and will save you some time. Like and subscribe. Thank you.